I see a desk. Do you want to go with me or you can stay here? All right, Mom's gonna make me take this. All right, Mother's Day scrapping. What we got here, y'all? What's up? It's a doggy dog. Look at this right here. Look at that. Oh yeah, free. Oh. All right, want to help me? Oh, you know what? I can get closer.
Yeah, why don't you do that? Just don't hit the Corvette.
Let's get closer. Sorry, how's it going? You want to be on YouTube? No. Don't hit the vet, Dave. Okay.
Scaring children now, huh?
Oh yeah. All right. Let's go backwards. Okay. So you go back to. All right, just set it down. Just turn it. Go up on top of this guy. And push. All right, we got something over here, folks. We got something over here. A little scrappity scrap on the side of the road, man. Oh, watch that curve. Hold up. All right, holy cow, that is heavy. You know, I really don't want this, but
what's this brown stuff?
this is grease, and that's grease. Yeah, your hands are gonna get yucky. So
not if I hold the black part.
yeah, step back, please. All right, can you grab that side?
Wait, hold on, I can't get my hands under it.
How about now?
Oh,
Anna.
Bummer. Can you push it down a little bit so I can get my...
Hold up.
Oh, there we go, I got it.
You got it?
1, 2, 3.
Go. Just set it on the back. Oh, I'm sorry you got grease on your shirt.
So I guess I'll get a new shirt.
I'll buy you a new shirt. What kind is it?
It's Fabletics. They might not have them anymore.
Wait, no, I got it. Oh my gosh, that's heavy.
Dad, you think
I found a bed frame too. Yeah.